Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to the swaggiest place on earth and my channel, a place of procrastination for you. And I don't know. Okay. I went to Delhi last week and I can confirm that I'm properly fully broke now. And I did not need to share that, but I just wanted you to know that we are in this together, okay? Alright.
I ain't never seen
two financially
best
stable.
friends.
I don't like picking up my phone when people call. It just gives me so much anxiety. But let's go. They always ask, do you want a loan? They never ask, do you want therapy? Because honestly, that would be better for everyone in the long run. So that's getting kind of weird, right? Let's get into the video. So anyway, I went to Sarojini, of course, and then I got some amazing pieces, and I thought that I'll just do a little haul. So before I get into the haul thing, I thought that I'll tell you guys how I also shop and where do I shop from and all of those things. So I have like a little notes app thing written here because I am quirky like that and I am organized like that. So let's go. Where do I buy my clothes from? So I live in Ahmedabad and honestly there's not much here except for H&M, which generally has the styles that I would like buying and which I resonate with, so I go there. And there's also Law Garden here, which I did not visit until recently, and I got this really cool shirt, this one, and I love it. Honestly, it's the best thing ever. I actually mostly shop from Sarojini because I love that place and the prices are great. And I'm a hoe for trends. So. And if you don't have a Sarojini in your city or whatever, like we have Law Garden here, you might have something else. You can always look up thrift stores online. Like Instagram thrift stores are pretty great. Although I feel like they are a little bit overpriced, but I also understand where they're coming from because it is kind of hard to find stuff in Sarojini. Like you need a good eye for the stuff that they're selling, so it's kind of understandable. And of course, small businesses on Instagram, they are a rage right now. Like this shirt is actually from my friend's brand called Nalgo, and it's pretty great. I love it. I love the work, everything. And I also feel like printed shirts are the rage right now. Like I've seen a lot of brands selling these on Instagram and also a lot of thrift stores. So I'll just list some down here. I also feel like Ajio is slept on. Like it has amazing indie brands, like it has amazing shirts and cotton kurtas and like printed stuff. So like definitely check out Ajio. I'm gonna say hi to friends. Hello. Who wants to go out? Hi. What happened? Hello. And now we can get on with the trying on haul. Now. Hello, hi, I absolutely hate doing voiceovers, but anyway. So first of all, we have this beautiful white satin slip with some lace detailing and it's really nice. Oh my god, okay, I'm sorry. I think you're gonna have my boobs in your face for the rest of the video. But it was just for $100 and it's really nice. I always wanted something like this. It's a little loose, but I think it's okay. So I bought a lot of slips because it's summer and I'm really into shorts right now, so I want something different to wear under them. I love the print of this top and the material is also pretty nice. And the style is also pretty cute, right? And this was also for $100, so that's amazing. This looks really good under this shirt. I love the contrast it's creating, Oh my god, this kind of material is like so much in trend right now and I love the color. It's so cute and I really like the sleeves. Like I'm really insecure about my arms, so it kind of hides that fact for some reason. Okay, generally I would never buy a top like this. It's just not my style and the pads are also a little bit weird, but the back is so sexy and hot. I had to buy it. I mean, look at it. For the sake of hot girl summer, I just had to do it. Okay, so I found this shirt in a stack of like really ugly shirts and it is plaid and it is beige, so it was a match made in heaven and I'm really proud of myself. And it looks so cute. So of course I did not realize that this was out of focus, but anyway I got this really nice Zara pants and this really nice skirt, but they didn't fit me from my butt, which is actually a really huge problem. just like my butt. But for real, yeah. Next, I got these light brown pants which fit me so perfectly, and they're so basic yet so stylish. I always wanted a pair of these. Dude, I always wanted some green pants and like a pop of color in my pants collection, and this is just perfect. I love the color and I love the fit. It's a little tight, but it's okay. And I love how it looks with this top. This top is also very comfortable. I took it for the color honestly, and I love the combination. This is like really basic, but I did not have any light wash denim with me, and I really like the flared jeans thing going on right now, so I thought that this would be a good buy. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I love baguettes. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. But when I saw this one, I was like, this is perfect. The print is very subtle, and yet it can add like a spice to your outfit. It's not very overpowering, and it also has like another strap so that you can make it a crossbody bag, which is amazing. I have been looking for a fanny pack like this since so long, and it was such a good buy honestly. It looks good with every outfit and I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable and so cool. And of course, I'm on that side of TikTok, so I have been obsessed with rings, and when I saw them I was like, I have to buy them. I don't think I bought as much as I normally do, but I think it's fine. And I think I spent around 2500 like sab kuch mila ke, so that is pretty great. And yeah, thank you for joining in, and I hope that you go back to whatever you're doing and like go and do some work and work your ass out, or just chill. You know what, just chill and binge videos, YouTube, whatever. I don't know, man.